not growing, life review and fixes. Why your channel is not growing, life review and fixes. Number one, if you want your channel to grow, number one, set up your channel on your settings. Set up your channel on your settings. When you enter on your setting, maybe on your channel customization settings, enter on your upload default, then go to advanced settings. Set which category your channel is, set the keywords, put the which country are you. Yes, set all these things. If you want to grow on your channel, if you are a small content creator, set up your channel in whole, your profile, pictures, links. Yes, set all these sort of things and your channel will grow with the time. Yes, set up your channel and you will go far. Yes, that it is very important to know that. And when you set up everything, YouTube algorithm will be able to know which kind of person they are dealing with. Yes, on your channel algorithm, the YouTube algorithm will be able to recommend and they will be able to recommend to the right audience. Yes, and suggest to the right audience. Yes, it is very important to know that. Set up your channel on your settings. Channel is not growing. Number two, avoid copyright and using other people's videos. It is very important to know that when you are shooting your video, avoid background musics to avoid copyrights. Yes, avoid those musics around here where you are shooting your video, or avoid other people videos or using other people videos. Yes, avoid. Please avoid using other people videos and use only your videos. Yes, don't you take other people videos from the YouTube and then putting them on your channel. This will make your channel not to grow and it will be deleted by YouTube algorithm. Yes, avoid copyright and using other people videos. When you use other people videos, your channel will be copyrighted and it will be deleted, or you will get a strikes from YouTube algorithm. So avoid copyrights and your channel will grow very, very fast. Yes, welcome. Channel is not growing, review and fixes. Number three, avoid sub to sub and the upload of pornography. Avoid sub to sub and the upload of pornography. When you upload pornography on your channel will be deleted by YouTube algorithm. Yes, avoid upload of pornography and the use of sub to sub, because YouTube algorithm have stuffs whereby they have to review your channel or your videos before they suggest or recommend to their audience. So avoid sub to sub and the upload of pornography to avoid deletion of your videos or your channel. Yes, this will make your channel not to grow. Number four, your channel is not growing because of violating of community guideline. What is the YouTube community guideline? Avoid violating YouTube community guideline, like upload of pornography, avoid sub to sub, avoid strikes like copyright. Yes, avoid violating YouTube community guideline, and this will make your channel grow. Yes, if you violate, your channel will not grow and it will be deleted by YouTube algorithm, and your videos or short will not be recommended or by the YouTube community, by the YouTube algorithm. Yes, it will not be recommended. Yes, avoid YouTube community, violating YouTube community guideline. Please welcome on my channel and subscribe.